This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.
Hello everybody, it's Paul Neeson from the Raw Life Health Show, and I'm just going to show you what it is like to live in South Florida. It's the winter time in most of the country, so they're not even getting fruits fresh. But here in South Florida, it's a little different story. It's more like the springtime here, or the summertime with a couple of cooler days there. Wherever you live in the world, you can get good fruits and vegetables any time of the year due to transportation and everything else. But I tend to like to eat locally grown fruit in general. So if you are in a colder environment, eating things like root vegetables and even maybe cooked food might be a little bit better if that's the environment you're in. But I'm here in South Florida, and I'm going to show you how we do it here. So one thing we have is we get fresh coconuts here in South Florida, and we can get them right off the trees. But if I can't, I love coconuts, so I just get these from the Asian store. These are not local coconuts, but they are young coconuts. You can get them in any city in the country, pretty much, and they're great. And you open that up, you drink the water, you get the milk out. One thing you can get here now is dragon fruit. And there are many different types of dragon fruit. And this one is a yellow golden dragon fruit. And that's what it looks like. And it is, there are different varieties, but this is so sweet. It's a golden dragon fruit. That's wonderful. We have some strawberries that are locally picked strawberries. We have star fruit. Come over here and you can look. We have a whole bunch of star fruit that we just picked yesterday from a local tree in the area. We have tomatoes that I got from my garden. And then we have this. This is a egg fruit. We also call them the canasteel fruit. Some of you that eat a raw food diet might use a powder called lucuma powder. That's where it comes from. This egg fruit is very sweet, and they call it egg fruit because when it's ripe and you open it on the inside, it looks like an egg yolk. So that's called a canasteel. And then we got this little tree here. I recently found an Asian market near me and actually sell durian. So I was excited to buy it and get it and check that out. But that's how we're doing it here in South Florida. It works, and the raw food diet is so exciting. Don't let anyone tell you different. It's not just apples and bananas, folks. As you can see here, we've got egg fruit, canasteel, star fruit, freshly grown tomatoes. We get durian and coconut, and we got sweet dragon fruit. And there's so much more that we can have. And then here, we can even come here and I'll show you. I'm sprouting some chickpeas, and I'm going to make a raw hummus. So you can do it. You can do raw. Everybody, put your comments and questions below the video. Have a great day and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.